Hello again. Now we go for a very simple parser. This is on extended link to YouTube videos. We don't parse the videos themselves, but we give a presentation, a summary and a reference to them. So for example, now these here, what we did in this is a subsection, so continue here and say it's a subsection, okay, and then we say YouTube's. So now MTP parse YouTube. It's always like these menus, going in submenus. These are how these words and the capital letters are always organized. So in YouTube, go for example YouTube for Blender Mathematica. So take for example this thing, and you simply have to copy the URL and say add, and it's running and gives you a summary of this YouTube. So we get a link here, so you can refer to this segment of information. We have a link to the source of the YouTube, to the image of this YouTube, and a short text here. So you can use it like we did it with Plato and we did it with Wikipedia. So that's it. Nothing particular, very simple. Thanks for watching.